Hey, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you a pretty cool way that you can realistically make $100 a day, and that's going to be using the Fiverr affiliate program. So Fiverr is a site where you can buy services from other people, like logo design, illustration, all that. Or this person, for example, will send you 500 high quality ebooks. Um, get back to that in a second. But the way the affiliate program works is that if someone signs up to Fiverr using your affiliate link and then make their first purchase, you earn a commission. And the reason why the Fiverr affiliate program is so good is because of their unique commission plan. So so they have the hybrid or CPA. So depending on what you choose, you'll get the commission works out differently. So the hybrid plan works, if someone buys your service using your link, they will get $10 plus 10% of however much they spent. The CPA program, you will get a different commission depending on what category the service is in that they buy. So as you can see, whiteboard and animatic explainers, book and ebook writing are all paying the most at 50. Obviously pro plan is the most, but we're not going to be focusing on that. So what we want to do, and it doesn't matter how much the service costs either. So someone could buy a $5 service using your link, and it could be a whiteboard or animated explainer, and we get $50. So what we want to do is sell services in these high paying commission categories and profit off that. So the one we're going to be selling is this. I found this really easy to sell, and it's this person will send you 500 high quality ebooks that you can resell. So it's $5. Obviously I'm in Australian currency, but you pay $5 and this person sends you 500 ebooks with full resale rights, right? And apparently you can be making $100 a week just by reselling these ebooks individually, and sounds pretty good, right? So what we want to do is sell this to other people by using our custom referral link. So to get our link, we want to just copy the URL of this page, and then we can go to marketing tools, default and deep links, and you just put the link of the page in this LP URL section. Just paste that. Didn't copy. Right, and then we have 4 different links. So the one we want is CPA, because that's going to give us the $50 commission. So copy that link to clipboard, and then all we have to do is start getting people to clicking on this link and buying it. So all we have to do is tell people about this great offer and how they can be making $100 a week doing it, right? And we just want them to buy these ebooks. All they have to do is spend $5, and then they can be making $100 a week, right? So it sounds great. But it's even better for us because they spend $5, we make $50. So the way I've been doing it is just DMing people on Instagram. Specifically people who are trying to sell stuff, like small producers. I've found that's what I've been focusing on. I've just started a conversation about how hard it is to sell beats and whatever, and then I let them know about how I've been selling ebooks, and just make it sound good, and then just give them the link, and that's been working for me. So, and if you can get 2 people a day just to spend $5 on these ebooks, that's $100 a day in commission. So I mean, it's up to you how you do it, but believe it or not, people do want to make money, and it sounds like a good deal, right? So it really sells itself. You just have to be the messenger, really. So I hope you enjoyed this. Good luck. Sign up to Fiverr affiliates. The link is in the description. That's my referral link, so it would really help me out if you signed up using that link. It doesn't cost you anything, and it's easier than Googling it, I guess. So yeah, see you on the next one.